In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up cron jobs in Cloudways. If you're new to cron jobs, think of them as automated schedules that run commands for you at set times, perfect for tasks like clearing caches, sending notifications, or hitting a maintenance URL without lifting a finger. To start, head to your Cloudways dashboard and sign in. Once you're in, you'll be looking for your application. Click Applications in the top menu, then select the specific app where you want the cron job to run. If you manage multiple environments, double-check that you're working on the right one, like staging versus production. Inside the application, scroll down the Application Management panel until you find Cron Job Management. This is the control center where you'll add and manage your schedules. Open it, and you're ready to set one up. Click Add New Cron Job. Here, you decide how frequently the job runs. You can use one of the predefined schedules, such as every 5 minutes, hourly, or daily, which is great for common routines. If you need something more custom, enter your own cron expression. A cron expression uses 5 fields: minute, hour, day of month, and day of week, to describe the schedule. For example, 5 runs every 5 minutes, while 0 runs daily at midnight. Keep in mind that cron uses your server's time zone, so align your times accordingly. Next, enter the command. First, choose the type of script: PHP, curl, or wget. Pick PHP if you're running a PHP file or a framework command. This is typical for Laravel, WordPress, CLI tasks, or custom scripts. Choose curl or wget if you want to call a URL, like a route that triggers a background process. For HTTP requests, you can keep the output quiet by adding flags like silent in curl or Q in wget, which can reduce unnecessary logs. Whatever you choose, use full paths when pointing to files and make sure your command works when you test it manually in your environment. When you're satisfied, submit the cron job. You'll see it listed under the Basic tab, showing the schedule, the command, and the type you selected. From here, you can review it at any time, edit the schedule if your needs change, or disable it temporarily without deleting it. That's all there is to it. Simple, reliable automation right inside your Cloudways application.